Hi, Crystal here from ChristaCoDesign. Today we're going to learn how to knit the garter stitch. I'm using big twist cotton yarn and my 5mm needles. You can use any number 4 worsted weight yarn or yarn you have on hand. Just make sure they match your needle size. You can cast on any number if you are just learning. For this one, I'm going to cast on about 10 stitches to get us started. Using a long tail cast on, you can use any cast on that you're comfortable with, and I can link up some cast on method videos for you as well in the description. Alright, so once we have cast on, you're going to hold your live stitches, the ones on your needle in your left hand. This is if you're right-handed, and I'm knitting Continental, and I'm going to hold my other needle in my right hand. So I'll insert my right needle into the front first stitch there, from the front to the back under this front leg. All the way through there and toward the back. Okay, now we're ready to yarn over. And we're going to pull that yarn forward to the front and back through this leg here of the stitch. And then we'll slide this stitch off, and we have knit one stitch. Now we'll just keep repeating that. Insert our needle in the front to the back, yarn over and pull up a loop. All the way across. Okay, so once we have knit all of our stitches, we're going to turn our needle around. Now we are in position to work again. Inserting our needle in, yarn over and pull through, slide off our stitch. And we'll just knit each stitch on this side as well. Okay, now we have knit our second row. We're going to keep knitting, just keep repeating that one row for the length of our project.